Welcome everybody to our talk about solutions for optics manufacturing. My name is Dr. Stefan Prinz. My colleague Oliver Matisek will handle the chat, so if you have any questions in the chat, please feel free to ask or contact us directly via the email address he posted already in the chat, photonics-experts@delo.de. Due to some technical difficulties, I will do the presentation without the video, so you will only see my screen, but I think this should be fine. Okay, let's start. So this is Solutions for Optics Manufacturing. My name is Dr. Stefan Prinz. I'm a product manager at DELO Industrial Adhesives. And at DELO, our main business is adhesives and materials in general, but we also take care of the proper dispensing equipment like jetting valves, which you can see here, and also the curing equipment in form of LED curing lamps, which I present later on a little bit. DELO is a family-owned business. In the past fiscal year, we achieved around 160 million euros of revenues, and we have around 800 employees located all over the world. So we are where you are. Our headquarters is located in Windach, near Munich, Germany, but we have subsidiaries all over the world, ranging from the US to East Asia, Southeast Asia, and even Japan. In terms of optical applications, we cover a wide range of applications ranging from fingerprint sensors over MEMS devices over to micro-optical assemblies, camera stacks, and LED packages. And in this talk, I will cover the last three ones, starting with LED packages, camera assemblies, and micro-optics. And as I said before, if you have any questions, post them in the chat or send us an email at photonics-experts@delo.de. All right, let's start with LED packages and the bonding challenges which we face every day. So in the field of LED, we cover also a pretty wide range, starting in the automotive area up to the consumer business, and also newer applications which can be found in smart devices and displays, for example. In the automotive field, automotive headlamps are a big topic. Here you can benefit from active alignment, which means you align the optics in an automotive headlamp to your light source or to each other. And with a fast light fixation step, you are able to fix the components in place until the adhesive has some time to fully cure. Then you often have to deal with a closed cavity, which means you need adhesives with low outgassing to prevent fogging. And if you have adhesives in the light path, we have adhesive with special tailored optical properties. We also have free flow stable adhesives, which are also used in the consumer area, which can withstand a reflow process without yellowing. And this is especially even to achieve a high UPH. In the consumer business, typical bonding tasks are lens bonding, as you can see on top, of frame bonding. Here we make sure that our adhesive attaches very well to the well-known substrates, which are used, for example, ceramics, LCP, PPA, FR4, and so on. And apart from frame bonding and lens bonding, we also supply black materials to have coating or to fulfill masking and coating tasks, and also electrically conductive adhesives for die attach tasks. These are also used in smart devices and displays like mini LED backlights or micro LEDs. And we serve with isotropic electrically conductive and anisotropic electrically conductive adhesives. We have black matrix adhesives to block the light and prevent some crosstalk from pixel to pixel, and optically transparent adhesives for optical encapsulation of the materials. Last but not least, we also provide special materials for wafer transfer with the laser lift-off process. Next topic would be consumer camera. So what you see here is an explosion chart of a main camera in a typical consumer camera. The main bonding tasks which we deal with is, for example, bonding the IR filter to a substrate. Typical substrates are NTB. Here, DELO has a long-time market experience, and we have a broad selection of standard products available. These products are usually fast-curing, light-blocking adhesives that are designed to meet the drop test performance of today's devices. Second bonding task is the housing bonding, again, via active alignment. So here you have a UV curing or an adhesive, which can be fixed via UV light in position. So you do the alignment of the housing to the optical stack, fix the design in place, and then cure it. And what's especially important here is that you have a adhesive with low and especially reproducible shrinkage. Third task is retainer ring replacement. So with adhesive, you can replace the typically used retainer ring. And here we have specially developed black and matte adhesives to minimize reflections. Here's standard products are available, and also customer-specific products can be made to order. Last task I want to present is bracket bonding. So after the module has been assembled, it's usually mounted in a bracket like this one. Typical substrate is nickel to provide for EMI shielding. What's important here is a good flowability into the areas here. Fast light fixations if you have two modules in one bracket and you want to align them to each other. You also use the active alignment process with fast light fixation, always depending on the module design. And also here we can provide a good experience to our customers. Third topic I want to cover today is the field of micro-optics. And here you can achieve a massively parallel production of micro-optical elements by manufacturing on the wafer level scale. And the simplified process is depicted here. So it starts all by depensing the resin, here in magenta, on the substrate, typically a glass or a silicon. And then you use a stamp with the inverse structure of the structure you want to imprint. And you imprint this stamp into your material. You cure the material. This leads to polymerization and the complete solidification of the curable polymer. And this results in the perfect replication of the given mold. And after that, you do the demolding steps. So the adhesive is now fixed on the substrate, the stamp is released, and you end up with a finished wafer with hundreds or thousands of optical elements manufactured at the same time. These are then singulated via a dicing process. Here we provide specific solutions for all the relevant parts that benefit from a functional polymer, either in form of an adhesive or as an optical material for imprinting. And imprint materials are available for imprint of lenses, for example, or nanostructures, such as diffractable optical elements, or to generate spacers between optical components that can be at the same time light blocking. The range of material covers optically clear materials with close to 100% transmission in the visible range, and materials which act as optical filters, ultra-black materials with a high optical density in very thin layers, or even diffuser materials. And on the other hand, we provide adhesives for wafer bonding or stacking, for active alignment, and even electrically conductive adhesives for die attach, as we have seen before. And maybe one of the most important parameters for an optical designer is the refractive index of a material. And with our current portfolio, we are able to provide a huge variety of materials already, between 1.38 down here up to 1.72. And because right now there's a huge trend towards high refractive index materials coming from the AR application fields, we also tackled this, and with our latest developments, we are also able to provide materials in the range of 1.8 and above, suitable for thin layers and nano imprint for AR/VR applications. If you're interested in that, contact us anytime. So to break it down, when it comes to optical materials, a big core competency of DELO is to have customized optical properties tailored to your application, and also what's at the same time, or even equally important, is to have the customized or the matching mechanical properties to achieve a high reliability in the final wafer stack or in the final application. And also what needs to be considered is the processability, which is usually tested in-house at DELO or at our partners. Final slide is about equipment. This is just a brief overview of what we do. We have our own jetting valves, which can be which are sold via DELO, either pneumatic or piezo-driven, and we have a huge variety of light curing equipment in the wavelength range between 365 nanometers up to 460 nanometers, which can be either small spot lamps, which can be something like this, which are made to be integrated into a machine, passively cooled, small footprint, various light cone. And we have water-cooled high-intensity lamps like the DELO Lux 80 and area lamps like the DELO Lux 20 series, either rectangular shape or quadratic shape. And what we also do is customized versions, for example, such a water-cooled version, which is integrated in a mask aligner of a well-known company. This design here, which is used in today's smart card fabrication. So if there's any demand on your side and you need a specific solution for your process or any specific products, feel free to contact us anytime.